Hey friends, iOS 14 has been out for a while now. We all know that there are lots of new features and customization we are getting in this iOS 14 update. Major changes includes to the home screen and in the privacy. Finally you can customize your home screen till some extent. If someone noticed, in iOS 14 the battery backup seems to be lesser than the last iOS 13.7 update. I am using iOS 14 on my iPhone 11 and today I am going to share some tricks to extend your battery life in your iPhone running on iOS 14. So watch the video till the end, and if you like the video then like and share the video. If you are new to the channel then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video comes out. Also I will show you a major bug which I found on my mobile. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing is remove the unnecessary widget from your home screen. Look into this tagged widget. Every time it keeps updating the content in the background, which consumes your battery. So if you remove the widget, definitely you will see some improvement in your battery life. To remove a widget, long press on the widget and click on remove stack or remove widget, whatever. So it will remove the widget from the home screen. Next is background app refresh. This gives the access to apps to refresh the respective content in the background, which consumes more battery. So to control that, go to the setting, then go to general, then go to background app refresh. Here you can choose which apps to be refreshed in the background when you are in Wi-Fi or using mobile data. You can permanently off the background app refresh also. This will save a lot of battery. Try it out. Our next tip is related to notifications. Nowadays pretty much all the apps keep on sending some notifications. In fact, some of them are really annoying, isn't it? But do you know, by disabling unnecessary notifications, you can extend your battery life of your iPhone. To do that, go to setting, then click on notifications. Then go to notifications and off the notifications for those you don't need. Suppose this Arogya Setu app, I don't need notification, so I have off it. Similar way, you can off the notification for all the apps you don't need. This will save lot of battery. Try it out. Our next tip is related to the sound recognition, which comes with iOS 14. This keeps on hearing the surrounding sound and gives you notification when a particular sound is heard. But do you know you can save some battery by disabling this? To do this, go to setting and then go to accessibility. Then there you will find sound recognition. Click on that, and if this is enabled, then disable this. This will save a lot of battery. Try it out. These are some most popular and highly efficient battery saving tips in iOS 14. Do these changes in your iPhone and you will definitely get better battery life. Thank you for watching. Now there is a bug which freezes the widget and reboots the home screen. Watch it out. I hope Apple will fix the issue in iOS 14.2 update.